Hello, it's Bess. Welcome to my channel. This is the quick one. So via the link down in the description will take you to my free pearlescent hair texture on Booth. They're free, so you're just gonna click whichever pink, I guess that's like a salmon colored button you want. Number 2 is my favorite, so I'm clicking the download button. We're gonna go back to VROID. I have my model here. We're gonna go to edit hairstyle, click on one of the meshes. Scroll down. Hopefully you don't have this many materials. We're gonna edit texture. And wait, I'm gonna delete the ones that are already there. And I'm gonna hit that image plus sign. It's the second one. Go to my downloads, hair texture, number 2. I want number 2. So I'm gonna click on number 2. There it is. That's how you load it in. Now how do you change colors? Easily via the same screen. We're gonna go down here to this main color. We're gonna check mark it. And then let's say we want teal. We want like teal hair. Yeah. Like that. And there you have it. That's how you install and change the color of my different valued free hair texture from my character creation series. I'll see you next time.